In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Spotify status not showing on Discord. If your Spotify status isn't appearing on Discord, don't worry. In most cases, the issue is caused by a disconnected account, disabled activity settings, or Spotify not running correctly. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the most common fixes so your friends can see what you're listening to again. To get started, open Discord and sign in to your account. Next, click the gear icon near the bottom left corner of the window to open User Settings. From the menu on the left, select Connections. This is where Discord manages linked accounts, including Spotify. If Spotify isn't connected, click Add Accounts, choose Spotify, and complete the sign-in process. If Spotify is already connected, make sure the connection is still active. If necessary, disconnect the account and reconnect it to refresh the link between Spotify and Discord. Next, remain in User Settings and select Activity Privacy. Make sure the option to display your current activity as a status message is turned on. If this setting is disabled, Discord won't show your Spotify listening status even if your accounts are connected properly. Now, open Spotify and start playing a song. Make sure Spotify is actively playing music rather than being paused. After a few moments, return to Discord and check whether your listening status appears beneath your username or in your profile. If the status still isn't showing, completely close both Discord and Spotify, then open Spotify first and begin playing a track. After that, launch Discord again and give it a few moments to detect your current activity. Restarting both applications often refreshes the connection and resolves temporary issues. You should also verify that you're signed in to the correct Spotify account. If you've accidentally logged into a different account than the one connected to Discord, your listening activity won't appear as expected. If everything looks correct but the problem continues, check whether Discord and Spotify are both updated to their latest versions. Older versions can sometimes cause compatibility issues or prevent activity detection from working properly. Finally, keep in mind that Discord only displays your Spotify status while music is actively playing. If playback is paused or stopped, the status will disappear automatically until you start listening again. That's all there is to it. Once your Spotify account is connected, your activity settings are enabled, and music is playing normally, your Spotify status should appear on Discord without any issues. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,